Previously on Captain Bob.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
So this is our campsite. We do have electricity. We decided to move over here. Morning day 3. We had a great sunrise. Kind of overcast, but real beautiful. We're packing up slowly because everything's wet, damp from the dew. So the rain flies are all still damp. We've got nice wind and a little fire going over here thanks to the fire guy.
The joints move more slowly on day 3 also.
They do. So we've got all the gear out, just gonna pack back up. So today we go back the way we came, in essence, from Council Grove back to Pomona Lake, right? Pomona Lake.
Yep.
And the wind will be a little bit more in our favor this time. Plus, it should be a gentle downhill grade. Not significant, but you know, Kansas gentle. And should make it a little easier. So we've got about 56 or 58 miles or something to do today. We'll roll into town, maybe pick up a few snacks or something at the local convenience store and tank up on maybe one more water bottle. We're gonna see what we decide to do with that, but it's a good day. Packing it up and gonna get on the road here in a little while. Dollar General stop. Picked up some sunscreen for Jerry. Some drinks, snacks. Funniest thing about that is the gal at the register suggested Jerry skip the sunscreen and go straight for the aloe vera. Western beginning of the Flint Hills Nature Trail. Day 3. We're heading back. Hey. This is why you come to the Flint Hills. This beautiful terrain. Rolling hills and cattle. Very pretty. Looking good.
Try. Takes a lot of work to look good.
We're down on the bars. Cruising. This guy, I don't know about him. We're stopping here at this tree because this is where we like to stop the last time. We should thank the family of Mr. Kenneth Edward Young for donating this very cool bench under this tree. We're at Sonic. We're ready to get a big drink. We're gonna order some food, put it on the bike, take it with us. That way we got dinner. It's 4:30. We got all set up. You can see We're back in the exact same spot we were at. Got the tent set up. Went and took a nice shower up at the bathhouse. That always makes you feel better. Jerry went and got some wood. Hauled it back on his bike. He's excited about getting the fire going. We've got the chairs kind of set up. The wind has been blowing pretty strong, but maybe that'll calm down as the night goes on. So yeah, it's a beautiful view here on the lake. There's lots of people out. The campground is definitely busier than it was. It was a good day. We did 58 miles or so to get here. 57, 58 miles. And tomorrow we'll have a short day, maybe 20 miles or so to get back to Ottawa, where the car is at the Holiday Inn. So should be good. This is an expert way to warm up your sandwich. Tell me about the weather this morning.
Well, it's less scintillating than yesterday.
It's like misty.
Yeah. And it'll
Foggy.
come down a little more.
Yeah, foggy and misty kind of.
So no, I got up once already. I just went back to sleep.
Good.
Which is a big deal for me.
That's good for you, man. So it's a rainy morning. So what do you do when it's a rainy morning? Well, pack as many things as you can in your tent, and then you just get up, put your rain jacket on, and do your thing. That's all you can do. Well, I don't think it was too bad. Could have been a lot worse. It's just misty and drizzly kind of. It's not really raining.
Could be miserable, but this is not bad.
This isn't too bad. Could have been a lot worse. Could get worse later for all we know. So we are gonna pack up, go get some breakfast. Little restaurant right down the way here, which will make it easy. And then we've only got about 20 miles or so to get back to Ottawa, where the car's at, so shouldn't be too bad. Anyway, we're gonna finish this up, and then we're gonna head and get some food and some hot coffee. So the temperature right now is 70 degrees. It's 8:45, and that's the warmest it's going to be today. Temperature's dropping, rain's coming by noon or 1 o'clock, but we ought to be in by then. Yep.
Amen.
Amen. This is the gravel road detour that you have to take. Part of the section of the trail is closed. Back to Ottawa. Back to where we started. Good times.